today we are going to study about the DDL command. So what is DDL? DDL is a data definition language which is used to define the database schema. So like the DDL, there are some other command also, DML command, DCL, TCL. So I will explain these commands in another video. So in DDL there are 5 commands: create, drop, alter, truncate and rename. One by one I will explain these all commands. So create basically we used to create the table, we used to create the database. So syntax of create will be like create table names, like here I mentioned table name customer, and these are the column name. Whatever column you want to define, you can put your name here, and after column name we have to define data type, like in customer id always in numbers. So for number we define integer, for text we define varchar. And second command is drop used to delete the entire table, delete the database. So for this we use drop command. Syntax of this: drop table and table name. Third is alter is we used to define if I want to add some column in the existing table, so I will use the syntax like this: alter table name, and I want to have one column name city, so I will use add city and data type. So alter we can use for deleting and for changing the data type name. So syntax will be like this: drop column name, and for alter we use alter column name and data type, whatever data type you will define here. And fourth command is truncate used to delete all the rows from the table. So if, the syntax of this will be truncate table name. So now you will think like table is just deleting all the rows from the table, so how it can be in DDL command? So with the deletion of all rows, truncate deallocate the space which is allocating to the rows, and by doing this it's changing the storage definition. That's why truncate command it's in DDL. And fifth command is alter. So if you want to change your table name and your database name, so you can use rename, and syntax will be alter table and table name, rename to your whatever new name you want to give, you can give here. And another syntax of rename, like rename your previous table name, and whatever table name you want to change you can mention here in this way. So apart from this, you have to keep two things in mind, like in DDL command we always define table object, like create table, drop table, alter table, truncate table. We always define table object in DDL command, but we don't define this object in DML command. And second is, in DDL command we don't use where, no where in DDL command. Where clause we use in DML command, in delete, in update we use in DML command. So this was all about the DDL command. I hope you will understand it, and thank you so much.